Here's how to post high quality stories on Instagram. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you won't miss any of the steps. First, you will need to click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then I'm gonna click on the hamburger icon at the top. Now I'm gonna click on the settings option, and now here you have to search for the mobile data or data usage. After that, you have to select the mobile data usage option, and once you click on it, now here at this interface you have to enable upload at highest quality option. Here you also have to enable data saver option, and once you enable it, now here you have to click on the mobile plus Wi-Fi option. After that, just hop into your mobile settings. Now scroll down and go to the apps option, and here you have to click on the camera app. After that, here I'm gonna click on the camera settings option. Then here ensure that you have enabled these two options. If these options are disabled, you have to enable them, and once these options are enabled, now you will be able to post high quality stories. To post high quality stories, you have to take pictures and videos in maximum resolution. So this is how you can post high quality stories on Instagram.